Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 13, and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display. After that, scroll down just a bit, click on Display Size and Text, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!